My daughter grew this giant watermelon, and she gave it to me. Sent it home with her mother. Her mother was visiting her. My wife, her mother. Anyway, and I'm going to cut this thing up. I can't eat that whole watermelon. But I know from growing things, if somebody gives you something like this that they've worked hard to grow, and they're giving up the excitement of opening it up. So I'm going to pay that back a little bit by filming, or not filming, but I'll make photos of it, of me cutting this open. All right? Not me, but my hand. So here goes nothing. Linda, you want to watch this watermelon get cut in two?
I want to taste it. Good Lord.
Here goes. This is a monster. I don't know. May have to get a chainsaw. Gee, Christmas. I haven't seen a watermelon this big in years. They don't market these much where I shop. I'll try to cut it down the middle, but who knows. It's probably going to explode. Let me make sure you can see it. Here we go. Ooh. There it is, guys. I'm going to take a little piece and see what it tastes like. Oh my God. That may be one of the best watermelons I ever ate. That's weird. I've tried growing these. I grew a few of them in Texas, but this thing's enormous. She grew this in Illinois.
I forget what you called it.
Northern Illinois.
She told me the name of it.
Whew.
Crimson.
Well, thank you, Kaz.
Crimson watermelon.
And Kyle. Kyle for giving her the opportunity to do this. My God, this is good. I should save these seeds and give them back to her. Of course, it might not do the same thing next year. So if somebody gives you something big like that, something unusual, you know, this isn't, she gave up this opportunity, so she gets to see it. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, if y'all want to share one of your melon cutting premieres, please put it in my comments and send it to me, a little tiny little GIF, and I'll stick it in one of my videos. Thanks for commenting. Bye.